some eBay special camber arms for my car. The ball joints, as you can see, they are shot, and I wanted to try something. So what I did, I ordered blocks, replacement ball joints. They're for Hondas, and they actually work perfect on here. They work good, so, and the ball joints need to be replaced, so what I'm gonna do is paint these arms up. I don't know what color yet, I'm still trying to think of a color. I'm sanding them down right now though, but I use my famous aluminum foil tape. Tape the, I don't want to get paint in there, so I taped the actual bushing area, and gonna start sanding them down now, so stay tuned. Alright, so I just scuffed it up with 320 sandpaper. Now I'm gonna hit it with some acetone, clean it up, get it all nice and clean, get all the dirt, debris, same shit I always say. So now I put in some type of box, so overspray doesn't get everywhere. It just stays all content in this damn box. So now we are gonna hit it with primer. So I got this, it's actually off of Mitsubishi, dark green. It's kind of like a metallic green. I think it's off of 3000 GT, I believe. That's the color I'm gonna do these arms. Let's try it out. Alright, so color looks like the base coat looks pretty dry. I'm gonna hit it with some clear, see how that goes. Alright, so this is what I've been waiting for. That's why I couldn't finish the video. I was actually waiting on just one last ball joint. When I ordered these, I thought they came in a pair. Obviously they didn't, so let's open it up and I'll show you guys how to bolt it on. This I actually painted these about a week ago. It's kind of dirty, whatever, but kind of flaky looking paint. Metallic green. This came off of Mitsubishi 3000 GT, I believe. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Don't ask me why it comes in a Mishimoto box. I have no idea. But these are blocks, ball joints. This is the part number. Let's open this up. Alright, so comes with the top plate. Comes with this, a little decal sticker. I just put it on there, whatever. This is the hardware. These are actually too short, so you are going to have to get longer ones. That's why, as you can see, these ones kind of stick up. So I'm gonna file them down, just cut them, trim them, file them down, and that's gonna be that. So yes, these are trash for me, or just keep them as something else, but you can't use them for what I'm doing. This is the pin that goes in here, and the actual ball joint to keep it all nice and locked. It's a lock pin, that's what it's for. Anyways, this is a Honda ball joint. It's for like Civics or Integras. They have the same type of camber arm, I would say, and yeah, they fit nice. They actually, the holes line up good. So what I did is, to compensate for this little hump right here, I put washers so it's nice and flushed with the ball joint on both sides. I'll put it under here, so like so. As you can see, there's still a gap. So I'm gonna show you on the other one how I did it. This was just a test. I'm gonna replace them with actual washers, but as you can see, there's nuts between there. Pretty much sit flushed in between here, but just it sits a little better, you know. Fills in the gaps. The plate's not bending or anything like that, because these aren't made for these arms, you know. So I pretty much had to use what I had. Yeah, let's get them on. Alright guys, sorry I didn't get to record it, but they are on, actually. Kind of busy with some other stuff I had to take care of, so. But they are on. Really nice. Since I do have stock suspension still, I had to camber it out a little bit, as you can see. So it's not fully cambered in. I wish it was daytime so you can actually see, so. But anyways, they are on. I'm gonna lower the car, see how much camber it did give me. So just stay tuned. Wow, dude.
So what kind of insurance you got? What's your insurance?
Alright, so this is what happened. Got into an accident. I guess was trying to burn out, I guess. I don't know. He was in a Camaro. V6, of course. 22s. Anyways, I think he was trying to burn out. Kind of went sideways and right into my car, of course. Now, I went on the curb, inspecting it right now, so he doesn't want to go through insurance. I kind of don't either. I just want to get paid out. But he doesn't have the funds, so this is where we stand. I'm gonna go through insurance. I'm trying to figure it all out right now. This is what I'm dealing with right now, unfortunately. So anyways, we're gonna get it fixed. I am gonna get a new bumper, new fender. The wheel is damaged. His car didn't get damaged at all. Yeah, I need to get this fixed because I literally just got this car done last night, and now this happened. It's like, I have no good luck at all. But yeah, I'll get back to you. Peace.